The philodendron is a classic houseplant favorite, beloved for its lush foliage, adaptability, and easygoing nature. Native to the tropical rainforests of Central and South America, this versatile plant comes in a variety of shapes and sizes, from trailing vines like the heartleaf philodendron, Philodendron hederaceum, to upright, dramatic varieties like the split-leaf philodendron, Philodendron bipinetophytum. With its glossy, vibrant green leaves and fast-growing habit, the philodendron adds a touch of the tropics to any indoor space, making it an ideal choice for both beginners and seasoned plant lovers. What makes the philodendron stand out is its forgiving nature and adaptability. It can thrive in a range of lighting conditions and doesn't demand constant attention, yet it rewards its caretaker with lush, vibrant growth. The trailing varieties are perfect for hanging baskets or shelves, where their vines can elegantly cascade, while upright types make striking floor plants, adding texture and life to living rooms, offices, or bedrooms. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, the philodendron is also known for its air-purifying qualities, helping to filter toxins and improve indoor air quality, making your home not only more beautiful, but healthier too. Philodendron care tips: light. Philodendrons prefer bright, indirect light, but are highly adaptable and can tolerate lower light conditions. Avoid direct sunlight, which can scorch the leaves, especially in delicate trailing varieties. If placed in lower light, the plant may grow more slowly, but it will still thrive. Watering. Water when the top 1–2 inches of soil feel dry to the touch. Philodendrons prefer slightly moist soil, but are sensitive to overwatering, which can lead to root rot. Ensure your pot has drainage holes and empty excess water from saucers after watering. Yellowing leaves can be a sign of too much water, while drooping leaves often indicate underwatering. Humidity. While philodendrons are tolerant of normal indoor humidity, they thrive in more humid environments, reflecting their tropical origins. If your space is dry, especially in winter, consider misting the leaves or placing a humidifier nearby to encourage lush, healthy growth. Temperature. Philodendrons prefer temperatures between 65 degrees to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 degrees to 27 degrees Celsius. Keep them away from cold drafts, air conditioners, or heaters, which can stress the plant. Soil. Use a well-draining, peat-based potting mix. A mix designed for aroids, the plant family philodendrons belong to, or a standard indoor potting mix with added perlite works well to prevent water retention. Fertilizing. Feed your philodendron with a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer every 4 to 6 weeks during the growing season, spring and summer. Reduce feeding in fall and winter when the plant's growth slows. Pruning and propagation. Philodendrons benefit from occasional pruning to control size and encourage bushier growth. Trim leggy vines just above a leaf node to stimulate new growth. The cuttings can easily be propagated in water or soil, making it simple to expand your indoor jungle or share with friends. Pests and problems. Philodendrons are relatively pest-resistant, but can occasionally attract spider mites, aphids, or mealybugs. Wipe leaves regularly with a damp cloth to keep them dust-free and inspect for pests. Treat any infestations promptly with insecticidal soap or neem oil. And that's everything you need to know about growing a happy, healthy philodendron. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned plant parent, this versatile beauty is sure to bring life and lushness into your space with minimal effort. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more plant care tips and tricks. Got any questions about philodendrons or want to share your own plant care experiences? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you're looking for more indoor plant inspiration, be sure to check out my other videos on easy care houseplants and unique ways to style your indoor jungle. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, keep growing and happy planting.